Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with massive catalysts. I'm Mitchell, and today we are covering Dynavax Technologies, ticker DVAX, a commercial stage biopharma company known for its innovative adult hepatitis B vaccine, Heplisav-B, and CpG 1018 adjuvant technology, with a promising phase 1-2 shingles candidate in the pipeline. Blockbuster news dropped today, December 24th. Sanofi announced a definitive agreement to acquire Dynavax for $2.2 billion, paying $15.50 cash per share, a 39% premium over yesterday's close of $11.13. The market is erupting. Shares are soaring nearly 40% in early trading, hitting highs around $15.48 on explosive volume, capping a dramatic end to 2025. This deal adds a marketed vaccine and advanced shingles program to Sanofi's portfolio, with closing expected in early 2026 pending approvals. Premium buyout, lock in gains, or hold for close? Share your thoughts below. Like for more biotech deal alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.